In this video, we will show you how to use iSteady V2 for the first time. First, please open the outer packaging. Take out the gimbal and its accessories. Mounting, balancing, and activation. When powering on gimbal at first use, activation is required through Hohem Pro app. Once the download is finished, please log in or register in the app to prepare for connecting the gimbal. Please unfold the gimbal and pull the phone clamp until the arm is vertical. Screw up the knob. Turn the Hohem logo upward. Put your phone stuck in the bottom of phone clamp and pull the head of phone clamp to mount your phone. Ensure that the phone is clinged to the rubber mat. Power on the gimbal after sliding the phone and clamping it in the middle. The Bluetooth indicator will flash alternately in red and green after booting up, and the gimbal will enter a to be activated state. Turn on the phone Bluetooth, log into the Hohem Pro app, click Start button, select the device. Pairing through Bluetooth connection. Follow the prompts to proceed to the next step. Create your account and password. Click to log in. Click to activate. Once gimbal activation is completed, there will be beep sound for noticing, and Bluetooth indicator will stay green. AI visual tracking and LED video light. Please press AI vision sensor and LED video light power button to enable this function. Indicator light will turn red, and the LED video light will flash twice. It is now ready for use. When the gimbal is not powered on, the AI vision sensor cannot be turned on by pressing the button. Both hands thumbs up facing towards the AI vision sensor. Thumbs right for switching to portrait mode. Thumbs up for switching to landscape mode. Please face the AI vision sensor and take an OK gesture to turn on the smart tracking. The indicator light will turn green. Please face the AI vision sensor and show a palm gesture to turn off the smart tracking. The indicator light will turn red. Press AI vision sensor and LED video light power button to adjust light intensity. LED turns according to low, medium, high close modes. For closing this function, please long press power button and indicator light will turn off. Buttons control. Long press the function button to power on. And power off. Single press to switch the landscape and portrait modes. Double press to recenter the gimbal. The joystick is used for controlling the camera direction. Single press to take a photo. Double press to switch photo, video modes. Single press to start recording. Single press to end recording. Triple press to switch front-rear cameras. Zoom slider. Push up for zoom in. Push down for zoom out. You can also enter the Hohem Pro app to select video template in the moment mode by just one click. Storage. Long press function button to power off. Take out the device. Loosen the knob. Fold the gimbal as shown. Storage completed. Thanks for watching.